This is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josie, and today's video is a collaboration video, and I am excited about today's video because it is all about a tablescape, and it is a collaboration with Living Luxury with Enn, and she also do tablescapes and home decor videos, and we are doing a Victorian romantic tablescape for two. So I am excited about today's video to be sharing with you all of the beautiful elements that I added in today's tablescape. So after you finish watching this video, please be sure to check out Ian's video as well. I will be leaving the link to her video down below in the description box. And like I have mentioned, this is a beautiful collaboration that we're doing together of doing a Victorian romantic tablescape for two. Okay everyone, so here is this beautiful tablescape. I'm gonna first start off with the tablecloth. So this is a beautiful green lace tablecloth that my mom and I have, and as you can see, it's like a sage color green. And the reason why I chose this tablecloth is because of the colors that are in the charger plate and also in the plate itself. And I just love how this looks. It really looks Victorian. It gives it a whimsical touch, and I have combined two of these tablecloths, the green and the ivory. And here is the ivory tablecloth, which looks absolutely gorgeous. And so my mom and I decided to just layer the two tablecloths together to give it a very Victorian look. Okay, so now I wanted to share the charger plate, and the charger plate is actually the inspiration for today's tablescape. And as you can see, it have that sage color green, just like the tablecloth, and it also have some pink and peach color in it as well, and also some ivory and some cream. And I just think that this charger plate looks very beautiful, and it looks absolutely gorgeous, and it have this Victorian theme to it, and I think it really goes great with the tablescape. So here is the beautiful dinner plate that I am using in today's tablescape. And as you can see, it have this beautiful Victorian design. It really reminds me of the Victorian era. It's very vintage, and I love this plate for this tablescape. Now, this particular plate is from the company Meteo China, and it is bone china. And right here on the edge right here is some gold, and it just looks really pretty, and it gives it a very luxurious look. Now, as far as the salad plate, this is the salad plate that I'm going to be using for today's tablescape, and as you can see, it has a vintage look to it as well. And this particular salad plate is from Eggshell, and I just think it really goes nice together. I love how this looks together, and it really gives it that nice Victorian touch. Now, I also added some beautiful bird figurines. I think this looks very Victorian, and it also looks really nice with the tablescape as well. And we also have this bell right here that also have the same design, but a little bit more flowers on it as well. Now I have this beautiful champagne bucket made of crystal that look absolutely gorgeous. Now I also added these beautiful candle holders that have some crystal elements, and they look absolutely gorgeous. I also added this beautiful garland and added some flowers to it as well to give it a very whimsical touch. Now for the napkins, my mom and I decided to use this beautiful napkin that have a rose embroidery on it, and also this beautiful porcelain napkin ring. Now there is another napkin that my mom and I did add, and it is this beautiful napkin that have a lace detail. So of course you can actually see a little bit of the lace peeking through, and I think this detail gives it this beautiful Victorian touch. Now, of course, for silverware, I am using Royal Albert Old Country Roses. Okay, everyone, so thank you so much for watching this Victorian romantic tablescape for two. And of course, this tablescape is for you to copy, so you could actually copy this tablescape. And also, if you're looking for inspiration, you can definitely copy this tablescape. And that's what all my tablescape videos are for, is for you to copy and get inspired. And I love this tablescape. I think it just looks so beautiful. I love all of the crystals and all the flowers and all of the pearls and the lace. It looks very Victorian, and that is what I love about this tablescape. So that is it for today's video, and I will be doing more videos. So you can definitely also check out my social media. I'll be leaving the links to my social media down below in the description box. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll be doing more tablescape videos, more garden videos, more home decor videos, and more how to entertain at home videos. Bye-bye, and God bless.